Everybody, so we got a quick unboxing to do from Home Depot. This is a Milwaukee item, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so we're going to be unboxing this long box today. This is a Milwaukee item. Whoops, camera's loosened for some reason. There we go. So I had a huge order at Home Depot. This and only 2 other items showed up for some reason. There's about 23 or 24 tools in that order. This is one of those tools. It is a Milwaukee 49-16-2721 extension attachment. This is for the Milwaukee Quik Lok system. I'm still waiting for that to show up. I think the tracking on that one actually had tracking. This had tracking, but for some reason the rest of my order did not have tracking on it. So I have no idea where it is. It's nice that they actually put this in a box. Put that on the ground. So here it is. Move it this way. It actually does come in a M18 fuel box. It's just inside of the Home Depot box. It says specifications. This is model number 49-16-2721. Quik Lok 3-foot attachment extension. Attachment only. Specifications is 40.5 inches. Length is 40.5 inches. Weight is 1.95 pounds. We're not going to weigh this item. It doesn't weigh that much. It says powered by the M18 fuel. Power head Quik Lok. Included in 2825-21ST, 2825-20ST, 2825-21PS. I don't remember which model one I got. The one I bought was at Home Depot, was $549. It came with all of the attachments, including the Quik Lok power head. I just didn't get a battery with it because I have, batteries there, and I have a bunch of batteries in here, so I had no reason to get batteries. But $549. It's bare tools, usually like $6 something for all the attachments. If you buy these attachments individually, it comes out to like $800. And Home Depot has a kit where you can buy the power head with, you can get the kit with a battery or without a battery. And I believe there's 2 different battery options. I think there was like an 8.0 battery option and a 12 battery option, if I remember correctly. This item was $59. It was the only thing that did not come with the kit. Kit I bought was without battery. It came with the Quik Lok power head, came with the string trimmer or the weed whacker attachment. It came with the edger attachment, came with the hedge trimmer attachment, as well as the chainsaw attachment. And that was $549. I paid $60 for this. It was like $615 out the door, something like that. So it's a good price if you already have batteries. I believe the kit that comes with all of the attachments I just named, plus the power head with the 8, I believe is like $690 something, $699 I believe. And I believe the 12 is like $750 or something like that on sale. They still don't come with this. You still have to add the $59 for this item. And so either way, you're gonna have to buy this separate. I don't know why doesn't Home Depot, if they give you the option to buy the whole kit, I don't understand why they don't give you the option to have this in it as well. But, you know, this is the only thing that showed up. I cannot show you the rest of the system because I don't know when that's supposed to show up. I believe it's supposed to show up like the 8th or 9th. So in a couple days. Well, that was nice of them. So here's the extension. So here's a M18 and M12 pamphlet book. Looks like a little informational pamphlet for the shoulder strap, which I wasn't expecting the shoulder strap. I was expecting you had to buy the shoulder strap separate, which is kind of cool because this shoulder strap on its own is like 30 bucks. It did come with a entry, unlike the last item. It came with an entry for the 1 winner per month for the 10 tool combo toolkit or a t-shirt. I actually won a t-shirt off of one of these. I picked the M18 option. Packaged it really well. The bottom cap and a top cap right there. I'll probably cut this box up later when, you know, I don't need it anymore. I usually keep boxes for about 6 to 8 months just in case there's an issue. I'll probably more than likely be using my steel harness because I have a steel backpack style harness. It's a full rig. It goes over your shoulders, wraps around your stomach, wraps around your chest, and it's got straps on it that you can literally hook it to something like this for my steel combi system, because I have the steel combi system, which is similar to this. It's got attachments. You can't use the Milwaukee attachments on it because the Milwaukee attachment shafts are like hex splined or star splined, kind of like a Torx spline, where the steel combi systems are square. But it looks really nice. Doesn't look like there's any problems with it. This foam grip is really, really nice. I like that. The button for the main unit, lock knob. Just a quick little fast unboxing. It is cool that they gave you the harness as well. Let's look at the back of the box. Let's see what it says. It says compatible with M18 fuel power head with Quik Lok 2825-20. Padded grip for optimal hand placement and increased comfort, which the grip is nice. 3 protected drive shaft provides greater durability to drive shaft against damage from drops and storage elements. Quik Lok coupler, positive locking mechanism alignment guide for fast tool attachment changes. Articulating hedge trimmer attachment is part number 49-16-2719. String trimmer attachment is 49-16-2717. The extension that we just looked at is 49-16-2721. The 10-inch pole saw attachment is 49-16-2720. And the edger attachment is 49-16-2718. So, and the power head with Quik Lok include is the 2825-21, either ST, 20ST, or 21PS. Now, the one I ordered came with the edger, the pole saw, the string trimmer attachment, the edger, the hedge trimmer, and the Quik Lok power head. And the only thing I had to buy was the extension. So mine came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. and I bought the 6th for $59. And it does not say on here, and I can tell. Okay, that's right here. 49-16-27 Quik Lok 3-foot attachment extension and shoulder strap. Number 2825-20 Milwaukee M18 fuel power head with Quik Lok not included. Battery and charger not included. So it does say on here it does come with the shoulder strap. So there's what it looks like. Move all this to the side. This is what it came with. I appreciate you guys sticking around for the video and hanging out with me today. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI affiliate links. I will be doing another video on the main kit when it gets here. We'll compare everything, look at it, we'll go test it on a different video as well. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. Thank you for sticking around, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!